Go.
Okay. Going through the stocking. More paint.
Okay, so we got some Color Wonder markers and new paint.
A bug! Ah! I'm scared of bugs!
You're scared of bugs?
Oh.
It's a ladybug.
It's just a toy. It's not a real ladybug.
Yeah. Are you really scared of it?
Oh, yeah. I don't want to touch it.
Oh, okay.
Might change her mind.
Ah!
That's kind of what I was thinking. It's
Yeah.
like there's 3 more in there then. This one's a grasshopper.
Yeah,
Snake!
Yeah, a snake.
I'm afraid of snakes because they bite people.
Okay, so you got some new toys that you
A frog.
might need to get adjusted to.
Do you like the frog?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep the frog over here.
Okay. One
So-
blue frog.
A blue frog.
Yeah.
Looks like a poisonous dart frog.
Yeah, but you do not have glow sticks.
More glow sticks.
Yeah. You gotta keep in stock with glow sticks when you got a kid.
Is this slime with sprinkles in it?
It is slime.
With sprinkles in it.
Got new slime.
And it's your current favorite color.
Green. What is this? Is it candy?
It is candy. That is Reese's Christmas mystery shapes.
Yeah, so that's a chocolate peanut butter candy. Like that one you really liked recently? The Reese's peanut butter cups?
There's more candy.
Yeah,
What
Yeah.
are these?
There's
gonna be several of those.
plenty of candy in there.
For me.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Oh, her nose.
My nose is so sensitive today.
Does it hurt?
No,
No?
it's just running.
Just a little runny. Oh. Yeah, it got really cold and dry last night.
Oh, we should keep taking medicine.
You want some medicine?
We should keep taking that medicine.
Oh, the allergy medicine?
Yeah.
I think you were fine without the allergy medicine until last night.
Crowns.
Yeah, the Color Wonder crowns. Or Color of the World crown, sorry.
Maybe get her some ibuprofen.
And
Yeah.
more.
We have a minute.
And 2 more candies.
And more candies.
My apple. I got my apple
You got your apple.
out there.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Is
looks
there
like it
anything
got a little
else
bruised
out
up.
there?
Nothing else.
That's
Nothing
my
else in
license.
yours.
Yeah.
Shall we go through Mommy and Daddy's now? And she's going for the apple. Okay.
We got 2 of those.
These are special soaps. Sweet nectar and hibiscus and orange blossom.
And there's one day I thought you could unwrap.
I got some candies to share.
With me
Conditioner.
And Mommy.
Yeah.
More shower stuff.
See, first time I tried them, I liked them.
Mommy got pizza socks.
Oh, pizza sauce. Yum. I love pizza because they're so yummy.
I got a shirt.
Oh, this one wouldn't fit in your stocking.
I got another shirt. What's this one?
This is Level Up.
Level up.
The best shirt's last in there. You still haven't gotten to the best one. That's the best shirt.
That is a good strip.
Smells.
It probably smells like the shave stuff that's in there.
Ah.
Or like my soaps. They were all
Rick and
stored
Morty
together.
shirts.
With
Nice.
more than ship, I got whole family.
That's what it smells
You
like.
got candy.
I got some candies.
Oh boy.
And I got some white fudge covered pretzels to share.
I don't know.
And Daddy's got some milk chocolate covered pretzels to share. And then apples.
Apples.
Yeah, I guess I can put these back up on the wall. Since I have no intention of taking down the decorations for like another week.
I see what's in these.
Yeah, you want to see?
You want to go for it? Let's do it.
Yeah, but which presents are for me?
So that's the key. You
Yeah.
gotta look. So how do you spell your name? Do you remember?
No.
You spell it N-O-Y-A. So
This is a good example.
you're gonna look for presents that, like this one here,
Look.
that say to Noya. N-O-Y-A. So T-O-N-O-Y-A. This one
This one is to Noya.
from Mom and Dad.
Remove this stuff out of the way.
It's up to you. The whole thing's gonna turn into a mess regardless. Oh,
For you.
Game!
it is a game.
It's like mini bean toss.
Yes, it is. You recognized it.
Good job, sweetie.
I wonder why we're playing this game. I wonder why we're doing this game. You know what instructions that explains the rules?
We'll have to look whenever we open it. Whenever we go to play it, we'll look at the instructions.
I want Mom to open one of her presents.
So,
But I think it just goes turn by turn, doesn't it? Like
So
you should
I
get
have-
4 chances, and whoever.
I
gets the
have an
most points
idea,
will-
just so that we can get to them for the sake of other people's watching these things in the videos. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you.
You.
Yeah, I will open some of those, but I want you to go ahead and open this one first. This one is from your Aunt Mel and Uncle John and the rest of that family.
Yeah.
Another. What is?
What is that?
So this is a Melissa and Doug My Own Mailbox to decorate. So you're supposed to color the mailbox and make it look however you want it to.
My nose is running again.
Oh.
My nose is running red.
You want to wipe or you want to blow it? Okay. I wasn't sure if you wanted to blow it or if you just wanted to wipe it.